Hello everyone, welcome once again in this JavaFX video tutorial session. In this tutorial, we are going to animate text field validation with the help of AnimateFX API. Right now you can see one of the form on my screen, and now I am going to press this submit button and you will see we have not entered anything in this text field. Now this is showing me that this is blank. So I am trying to create a validation scenario. If I'm not putting something inside it, so this will shake. If I will write something inside it, then this will move to the next field for the validation. So here with the help of the AnimateFX API, we can use the animation at the time of validation of text field, check field, and any other JavaFX control. I will show you everything right here how you can do it. This is very simple. We need 2 lines of code to apply this thing on a one JavaFX control. Right now I'm using the text field, but you guys can use the same method on different kinds of JavaFX controls. Now I'm going to close it. So this is my FXML based demo project right here in this NetBeans IDE, and this is the FXML based project. So first I would like to show you the FXML of this project. So what arrangement we have made right here? You can see we have these 4 text fields. First one, first name, last name, age and email. And you can see I have assigned the FX ID to these text fields because we are going to use these text fields in the controller file. And we have one submit button. You can say this is the submit button, or this is on pressing this button form validation will happen. So we have one action handler method associated with this button, and you can see this thing in the controller file. Now I will show you the controller file and I will explain the complete code right here. Now focus on this. This is the starting point. We have the fxml annotation and we have the reference variable for the text field, and these are the fx id that we have given in the fxml to these fields. Okay guys, now this is the action handler method for the submit button. Now I am assuming that user have to put something inside the text field. If he is leaving the text field blank, then a message will display to user that you have left the field blank. Okay, in my case I am putting a border, a red border to it, and we are shaking that field. So I'm grabbing the attention of the user that you left this field blank. So this simple arrangement. So focus the first these lines of code, and the remaining things will be same for the rest of the fields. So in the first condition of the if, in this if condition, we are checking that the input text length is equal to 0, then user has not entered something inside the text field, and we have to put a red border around the text field and we have to shake it. Okay, in the line number 35 we have added the animation and we playing it. The animation name is shake. You can see the set style method. I hope you guys are aware about the set style. You can set style with the help of this method. So we simply putting a red border and putting the width of the border 2 pixel. Okay, now at the line number 35 we have created one anonymous object with the help of this animatefx.animation.shake, and this is the field name on which we want to apply the animation. So we are focusing the first text field, which is the first name. After that we are calling the play method to initiate the animation. Now let me show you, we have a lot of animation right here in this list. You can choose any one of your choice. You can try a lot more animation. Okay, I want to tell you one more thing. If you want to animate any other JavaFX control, so you have to use the same way. So these 2 lines are the important one for this tutorial. Okay, so we have added the logic. First, check if the field is blank, set the border red and animate that text field. If something inside the text field, then leave this thing as it is. Apply no style. We have setting set style null. That means if you click first time, user has not entered anything, but in the next iteration he has added something in the field, so error should not appear for that text field. So this is the basic logic for this text field validation. Now in the same way I have applied the validation for the other text field like last name, you can see, and the age, and for the email. Maybe in your case you are using the regular expression, but the base logic will be the same for the validation, and you can decide that something is there, then do not validate or do not apply this animation, or do not throw any error, do not throw any message. Okay, but in my way this is the simplest way. This is for the demonstration how you can use the animate effects to animate your JavaFX controls at the time of validation. So this is the whole arrangement. I hope you guys clear on this. Okay, now I will take the clean build of this project and I will run it again. Here we go. Okay, this is the form, and now first I will press the submit button without entering anything inside any field. Here we go. You can see here all 4 fields are red bordered, and focusing that you have not entered anything. So I am just putting something in the second field, text field. Now I will press, you can see second field is now okay. You have entered something. This is validated, validation successful, but the rest of the fields are blank, so just put something inside it and this also be okay. That's it. So this is one of the way you can add the animate effects in your form and enhance the user experience of your JavaFX application form validation. And I hope you guys have a lot of ideas to use this animate effects. The purpose of this tutorial to tell you the basic idea how to use the animate effects in the validation. I hope you guys found this video tutorial relevant and useful. Please like this tutorial and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And for now, thanks for watching. Cool IT Help.